What's good everyone, Terrio here, and today we're going to talk about a home networking option that's barely even talked about, and I'm betting you probably don't even know what it is. Do you? It's the Powerline Adapter. Now, I briefly mentioned this in one of my previous videos, so if you haven't checked it out, be sure to do so. But today, we're just going to go over in a bit more detail what a Powerline adapter is, and we're actually going to review and set up one and see if it's a viable option against Wi-Fi extenders. But before we get into it, do me a favor, help me out, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, be sure to share this video. It really goes a long way with growing the channel. So firstly, what is a Powerline adapter? In the most simplest explanation I can give you, it's a modular device that you plug into your wall socket, and it then turns that wall socket into an internet connection via the existing electrical wiring that's already in your home. So your next question probably is, then why would I use this over a Wi-Fi extender? Well, let's say you have a dead spot in your home that's a good distance away. Maybe it's even upstairs. You can put a Wi-Fi extender in, but more than likely if it's far enough away, you're going to get a low signal and low speeds. Your next alternative could be to get a cable ran from your existing router through your home to that dead spot. You then may need to get a switch, may need to get an access point just to get some Wi-Fi and internet connection in there. Or alternatively, you can get with this Powerline adapter. Once you have the Powerline adapter, you plug one end into a router, you plug the other end in to that dead spot in that room, wherever it may be. You're now going to have an Ethernet connection right there off that wall socket, where you can plug up your computer, your laptop, gaming station, maybe even a network phone, TV. Also, as networking standards get better, so do the Powerline adapters. The latest Powerline adapters come with Wi-Fi built in, just like the one I have here. TP-Link WPA 4220 kit. So let's talk about this model I have here, AV600 WPA 4220 kit. This one is said to give 600 megabytes over an Ethernet connection and 300 megabytes over 2.4 gigahertz only Wi-Fi connection. It says that because of the home plug AV standard, it's easy to add multiple adapters throughout your home. They work on 110 and 240 volt plugs. These are stated to have low power consumption. Once it goes into power saving mode, it can reduce power consumption to up to 85%. The range on this is said to be about 300 meters or nearly 1,000 feet via the electrical circuit, which means it can go very far. And also this model is compatible with a whole host of different adapters. You have AV200, AV1300, AV1200, AV1000, AV600, AV500, and the AV200 Powerline adapters. Those are all compatible, so you can get whatever range, whatever speed you need with these kits. And that's it. It's a real simple device, really simple to set up. If you don't want the Wi-Fi, you can literally just plug it in one end, plug it into the other end. It's gonna automatically sync once it's on the same socket, and you're good to go. So let me know if you consider using something like this, if something like this makes sense for you. If you need a hardline connection to your TV, to your game, your console, your computer, your laptop, your printer, whatever it may be. Let me know if you think this would be a good option. Until next time, Terrio, I'm out. Peace.